Hello guys, welcome to FTGfx Tv. FTGfx will say profit better than salary. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get a notification whenever we put out new videos, okay? And follow us on our social media handles. FTGfx on Instagram, Forex Trading in Ghana on Facebook. I'm your host, Da Costa, Forex Market Expert. Today in this video, we're going to talk about MetaTrader, the types of MetaTrader we have, and features that the MetaTrader has. Yes. Now, what is a MetaTrader? MetaTrader is simply an electronic trading platform that's widely used by online financial instruments traders, okay, to enable them buy and sell online to make profits, etc. Okay. Now, the MetaTrader is just a software developed by MetaCode software and was released in 2005. Okay, so it has been in existence over a decade now, in 2005, and it's licensed to forex brokers to be given to their clients whenever they create an account with them, to enable them stream live prices, buy and sell as in place orders, and then manage their accounts. Yes, that's what a MetaTrader is. And then there are two main types of MetaTrader. Now we have the MetaTrader 4 and then MetaTrader 5. There's MT4 and then the MT5. MT5 is just an upgrade of MT4. On MT5 you can trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, but on MT4 you can't trade stocks. You can't trade stocks and cryptocurrencies. Okay. Now, after creating an account with your broker gives you your MetaTrader ID. So if you are using an MT4, it will give you an MT4 ID. If you're using an MT5, it will give you an MT5 ID. Okay, to help you log in into the app to enable you to place orders, etc. Now, when they give you the login ID, they also need to provide you with a server number. Okay, it could be a server 5, a real account server 5, server 2, server whatever. You make sure you have these key login IDs or login information to enable you log into the MetaTrader. Okay. Now someone will ask, where do you get a MetaTrader from? After registering, they will send you a mail. Your broker will send you a mail, send you a download link in your mail, or you can, if you're using an iPhone. Okay, if you are going to use a phone to trade and you are using an iPhone, you go to the App Store and then search for MT4 or MT5. If you are using an Android phone, you go to Google Play Store, you search for MT4 or MT5 as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. You download, install on your phone, you put in the login IDs, the login details that it needs, and then you are good to go. Okay, those who will be using computers, laptops, desktops to trade, you need to download the MetaTrader from your broker's website. Okay, they have sessions for that, so you go there, you download onto your PC, you put in the login details that they gave you, and then you start trading. Okay, but on the MT4, the only thing you can do on the MT4, you can't make withdrawals on the MT4. It only enables you to place order, monitor how your trades are going, and then make new orders, look at prices, etc. Now, the MT4 has indicators that enable traders to analyze the market. It has all the information or all the things you need to have, the tools you need to have to enable you analyze the market. Okay, so however the market behaved or did in the previous days, minutes, seconds, months, it has all those charts there. You study all the data available to enable you predict what's going to happen in the market. Basically, an online trading is a speculative business. Okay, so you analyze the data you have to enable you to predict what's going to happen in the future. Yes, so there are indicators, etc., etc. We are done for today's session. Once again, I'm your host, one and only Da Costa, Forex Market Expert. Now the question of the day: what is Forex Trading Indicator? What is Forex Trading Indicator? Okay, send your answers to to us via email ftgfx@webedgroup.com, and all social media platforms, Instagram FTGfx, Facebook Forex Trading in Ghana. FTGfx, we say profits better than salary. Bye bye.